Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Asus laptop if its screen is blank, but the power is still on. Okay, so first up, to fix it, you can go ahead and try to press, I'm just going to open up a text document right here just for you to see. Okay, go ahead and press function key on your keyboard plus F5. All right, what this does is that increase the brightness of your monitor. Okay, it could be that you just misclicked the brightness to 0. All right, if that's the case, press these keys simultaneously. Okay, now if that still won't work, go ahead and press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. Now what this does is that it will reset or restart your graphics driver. Okay, again, hold Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. You might see your screen flicker, but don't worry, it's just restarting your graphics drivers. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and perform a hard reset. Okay, so first up, hold the power button on your laptop until it turns off. And once done, remove your charger. Okay, and then remove USB, remove any other devices that is currently connected in your laptop. Okay, once everything is removed, you can now go ahead and hold the power button, okay, for about 40 seconds to 1 minute. All right, just to drain the power. All right, now once that's done, leave your computer for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Okay, that should help fix the issue. Now, if that still won't work, say for example, you turn your computer on or your laptop on and you have the power, but still black screen, you can press Control plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open up the Task Manager. Okay, you can now go ahead and maximize this one and look for Windows Explorer. Right click on it and just click on Restart. And once done, everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.